Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a elegant 3-bedroom townhouse in a secure gated complex in Stony Hill. Welcome to Palm Valley, where you will find this 2,800 square feet, two-story townhouse boasting 3 spacious bedrooms and 4 full bathrooms, offering you a perfect blend of modern amenities and classic charm. An inviting foyer welcomes you upon entering through the main entrance. Steps leads down to a open concept kitchen layout, which flows into a cozy sitting room, dining room, and living room. The first floor also features a spacious laundry room, a full bathroom, adjoining a small room, ideal for use as helpers' quarters, a convenient powder room, and an enclosed patio adjoining the living room, and an outdoor terrace at the rear, perfect for entertaining. The upper level offers 3 spacious bedrooms with ensuite bathroom, 2 of which features private balconies, which allows for stunning views of the lush greenery, which characterizes the property. The primary bedroom also includes a generous walk-in closet. This is an end unit featuring an outdoor garden to the side. Start your journey towards making this townhouse your new home by scheduling a viewing appointment with your realtor of choice. Guys, let's take a look at this townhouse and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this townhouse is Jamaican 65 million or US $422.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.